Hey guys, welcome to You Cook So Gay. I'm Darius.
I'm John, and today we're going to show you how we make spring rolls. So, Darius and I have kind of figured out the Asian market.
It's interesting though.
Yeah,
You go.
because they have stuff from like Korean and Chinese and Japanese and everything, but you have to kind of figure out what you're looking for. So we were looking for rice papers, so we just kind of wandered through until we found them, and this is what we're using. Banh extra thin rice papers. So basically, these are the translucent ones, and we have shrimp, cucumbers, red bell pepper, carrots, cilantro, and then some scallions. You can put in mint, you can put in some lettuce, you can put in some noodles, whatever you want to put in.
You can even put in meat.
You can even put in meat, but we're using, we're going to be using shrimp today. So what you do is you soak the rice paper in warm water for a second. Shake it off.
Shake it off.
Shake it. Lay it on your work surface. Then you put a couple of carrots, bell pepper. And these are nice because they're see-through, so you can see all your beautiful vegetables when you're rolling it up. Put a little cilantro in there. And then I'm going to put some shrimp, or as they say in South Philly, some shrimps. Some scrumps. And then you pick up the edge, if you can, and it's sticking to the counter a little bit.
I know, that's the
You roll it
tricky
over.
part.
You want to kind of roll it a little tightly, but gently. And once you get a turnover, you roll the sides in. This is the first time we're doing it on camera, so it's interesting. And then you roll up the shrimps. And voila, you have a little spring roll. Pretty. You can see the shrimp through it, you can see the vegetables. I'm going to grab a plate to stick them on. And then we're going to make a really yummy peanut dipping sauce.
Mine's come out so good.
I know it's hard to stick to everything. You just have to kind of pick it up and maybe work quicker. So I'm not going to soak it for so long. Throw it down. Throw in some shrimp. Throw in cucumber. Throw in some cilantro.
Oh my god, mine's did not do very well.
And then you roll it up. Yeah, I think you don't soak it for so long. Over the sides. And then at the very end, you can put a scallion in. Voila. Carrots, peppers, cucumbers, cilantro. Kind of like rolling a joint.
Yeah, I think I like you said, I did
It was too much, too much liquid. Put the shrimp in. I'm gonna roll the sides over. Roll those in, and I'm gonna put a scallion in at the very end. Oops, my shrimp fell out.
Interesting.
Yeah, we'll try. We actually made spring rolls. We've made cheesesteak spring rolls because we're from Philly, and they turned out pretty cool. Of course, the kids ate them all.
Right. Didn't leave us any.
Didn't leave us any.
We'll re-roll this one.
You know what? They might not look perfect, but they're going to be delicious. That's the main point. I mean, I've actually made other ones with fruit.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is rather interesting. You have to be careful because it sticks. I guess, but once you get the hang of it, it's like...
Yep. You just throw them together.
Throw them together.
And we're here to show you that they don't have to be perfect. They can
No.
be a little bit fakakta. Roll the sides over, press the shrimps in, then throw a scallion in. And voila, you can see the shrimp, you can see the vegetables, and they're wrapped in these deliciously light wrapping papers.
Interesting.
I'm going to throw the last one together.
Oh, excuse me.
Good tight, mine shots. The rice paper acts as its own glue.
Yeah.
That's why you don't want to, I guess we were soaking them too much earlier, but we roll them up like a big fat spliff.
Yeah.
And then we're going to put together some hoisin sauce and peanut butter, mix it up, some garlic,
Get yourself some...
and dip them in that.
It's good right there. I think we did good.
I think we did okay. Give it a try, don't be frightened, and we'll see you soon.